Hello, everybody. It's Dark Matter here. We're going to be talking about the Ulanzi U-Rigs Pro smartphone video rig. All right, now I picked this up on Amazon. It's a stabilizer mount for your cell phone, your smartphone, your camera phone. All right, now in the middle there, you can see that's where your camera goes. Them red things in the middle are the rubber mounts in which your smartphone will be mounted. They come up against it and hold your camera. So um, they're made of a very durable rubber. All right, now it's got two handles on each side for better grip and stabilization of your camera as well. Um, I like this thing. It's great. I tried it out. And I'm going to put some video up in there so you can see that. I'm going to have it playing in the background there. And one is with and one is without the stabilizer. I don't see a whole lot of difference, but it definitely did make it a lot more stable with the mount than without it. And it was easier to hold on to as well. Get a better grip on things. All right, now at the top of it, you have three hot shoe mounts for maybe a microphone and a couple lights, or maybe a microphone, a light, and another camera, maybe a GoPro camera, or something like that. It also has two tripod mounts on each side there, which I think is great. I mean, I'm sure them are very useful for whatever you want to try to mount to them. All right, another tripod, whatever. Now, on the right-hand side of this mount, there's also a tripod mount that you can hook it to a tripod for portrait shots or maybe videos for Facebook, because if I'm correct, Facebook takes vertical video, unlike YouTube that takes landscape video, which would turn your camera on the side there, guys. All right, now on the bottom of this mount, there's a tripod mount for a tripod as well, which is great because that you're gonna need that. Hook your tripod in there, and then that gives you the hot shoes at the top and the other tripod mounts as well. If you have something that has a tripod bolt in the bottom of it that you can hook into a tripod mount type screw. It's made out of a high durable ABS plastic. There's the back of it right there. And there's a tensioning screw right there that slides up and down so that you can get your camera in and out of the mount. And then once you get it in there the way you want it, you can tighten that tensioning screw down. It's got a very large, durable handle for the nut there to turn the nut and tighten it down with. It also makes it very easy to grab that and pull it up and down to get your camera phone in and out of it, your smartphone. Yeah, I really, 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 really like this stabilizer. I think that it did great, and I'm glad I got it. I picked it up on Amazon, like I said, for about $20. I don't think that's an unreasonable price for this stabilizer. I think it would be great for any YouTuber that wanted to use it, and it's a really reasonable price for it as well. There's a close-up shot of the tensioning knob on the back. As you can see, you can also see where it slides up and down at there. It will handle most smartphones. I'm sure it would handle an iPhone, and I know it'll handle Android phones very well. So Android smartphones as well. So iPhones and Android phones. I'm not so. I don't think it'll handle a tablet or anything like that. One of those iPads or whatnot. I don't think that would fit in there, but it does give you a lot of room for larger phones as well. So check it out. They're on Amazon. You can pick them up for about $20. The Ulanzi U-Rigs Pro smartphone video rig. All right, like I said, $20 for the mount, and you can also get free shipping and handling if you order on orders over $25, I believe. So that pretty much sums it up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button down below. And if you haven't already become a subscriber, please hit the subscribe button for more Dark Matter. Alright, I'm your buddy. I'm your friend. I'm Dark Matter. And I'm out.
You don't know the power of the dark side. The power of the dark side.